Do you want your home assistant to hear you even when your neighbor mows the lawn? Alternatively, you want your home assistant to show you recipes as you cook? Whatever the goal for seeking a home assistant, we have a guide on the best hardware for first-timers. Here is a beginner home assistant guide and setup. Best hardware to buy 2022. Let us get into it. Number 5. SONOS One Gen 2 Smart Speaker. SONOS technology is ahead with its high-quality sound regarding home assistant hardware. The sound quality of this smart speaker is outstanding. Of course, the built-in voice control system is delivered with the same brilliance and powerful tech as its rich sound. To set up a SONOS One Gen 2 smart speaker, one does not need to be a sound-savvy person. The compact design makes it a great fit for every part of your room. You can also set it up in the bathroom due to its humidity resistance. Otherwise, you can pair the speakers in a multi-room music system where all the rooms will have the same sound as a rear home theater. In fact, this home theater can also deliver the news and weather to you when you pair it with Apple AirPlay 2 or Alexa by Amazon. SONOS speakers are Amazon certified and come equipped with Alexa. Later in this video, we will share a similar speaker hub to the SONOS One. Echo Smart Home Hub has security and privacy features you might not find in the SONOS One. Number 4. Google Nest Hub. First, Google Nest Hub is a fantastic digital photo frame. The photos that are displayed do not appear by manual upload. Connect your Android or iOS to the Home Assistant and watch it deliver an outclassed photo transition. Then the Google Nest Hub is a valuable home assistant automation tool. Its features include an automatic light adjustment to control the brightness depending on your mood and choice. You do not need to have the hub in your presence to deliver this command. It offers far-field voice command that detects your voice from any corner of the house. These crystal-clear speakers motivate you with all your reminders, especially alarms and schedules. This makes it a great choice for a beginner who wants to get into a healthy and well-balanced routine with a home assistant that is easy to use and well-rounded.
That sounds like you.
Number 3. Echo Smart Home Hub 4th Gen. The Echo Smart Home Hub, as you know it, has always been a helper at home. This hub delivers active duties, including making to-do lists, playing the news, setting alarms, and playing music. You can also read your shopping lists and other things in your notes. It can announce when food is ready and make calls hands-free for your ultimate communication throughout the house. However, the compact design Home Hub is notable for its crisp sound quality. All of its activities depend on sound, and it is my pleasure to share that it delivers a range of highs, mids, and deep bass from anywhere you keep it in your house. Moreover, this Echo Smart Hub has layers of privacy protection, including an option to turn off the listening microphones to avoid a third party listening to you. That feature is also available for everyone, and beginners can effortlessly use it. If you want more than a photo display, we have the Echo Show to offer videos on an Echo. This 5th generation Echo Show makes video calls and shows movies. Shortly, we will tell you more about the price and other features. Number 2. BOSE Home Speaker 500. BOSE Home Speaker 500 is a home assistant that does it all. Its wall-to-wall stereo sound makes listening to the news or your itinerary for the day. The soothing sound is rich in bass and dynamic voice variations. As well, the device has a noise-rejecting microphone system to listen to just your voice, regardless of the noise around you. As a beginner, you have 3 ways to manage the home device. There is a preset touch button for 6 activities, the BOSE Music app, or by your voice, making it easier to operate in different situations.
That's simple.
It connects to all music platforms except Apple Music. Probably the few times Spotify users have the upper hand. At least Spotify's sound quality matches Apple Music's from the BOSE Home Speaker 500. If you are a Spotify user who wants to debate this stance, first subscribe to our channel and then let us hear you on the sound quality debate. Number 1. Echo Show 5 Home Assistant. The Echo Show 5 Home Assistant features include a bright screen for photo and video content. Whenever you want to call your loved ones via video, they are hands-free video call away. That is after the photos from your memorable days are displayed on the screen. Further, the Home Assistant can support listing recipes, weather, sports and media entertainment on any video-on-demand platform. You can watch your favorite music videos on YouTube or Netflix shows while cooking in the kitchen or gardening.
I'll be damned.
Despite its entertainment functionality, it is not lost on temperature control, lighting control, and home security. It has a privacy button to switch off cameras and microphones when a user feels a privacy concern or someone is watching or listening. The only con about this home assistant is that it is expensive. You must have $95 to get one, and that price might not be beginner-friendly. Otherwise, we will ask everyone to get it because it is the best market offer. Your search for a home assistant should not end with the hardware. Software that improves the experience just got an upgrade. Find everything in our previous video. Awesome Home Assistant New Integrations 2022.8 you should know about.